In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise Salesforce support case. 5 minutes. We'll walk through the entire flow in Salesforce Lightning from signing in to submitting a new support case. I'll keep it simple, explain what you're seeing, and share a few tips so your case gets routed and resolved quickly. First, sign into your Salesforce org and make sure you're in the Lightning experience. If you have multiple environments, confirm you're in the correct one for your team. You'll need access to the case object, so if you don't see any case options later, check with your admin about permissions or the assigned app. On the home page, look for the Guidance Center. Depending on your setup, it appears in the header or as a helper panel. If you don't spot it immediately, try expanding the Help menu or searching for Guidance Center in the app launcher. Open it to reveal curated actions that guide you through common support tasks. Inside the Guidance Center, choose Start Helping Customers. This is a quick path provided by Salesforce to get you into the right place to manage customer support. It's a shortcut designed to minimize clicks and bring you directly to case-related actions. Next, select Add a Customer Case. This will route you to the Cases area so you can begin creating a new record. You may see a list of recently viewed cases as well. Don't worry, you're in the right place. From the Case List view, click Add a Case. This opens the new case form. If your org uses record types, you might be prompted to pick one. Choose the option that best matches the issue you're reporting. Now fill out the form. Add a clear, specific subject and a detailed description that includes what happened when it started and any steps to reproduce the issue. Select the correct contact and account so the case ties back to the right customer. Set priority to reflect impact and use fields like type and origin to categorize the request. If you see product, component, or environment fields, complete those to help the support team triage faster. When allowed, attach relevant screenshots or logs to save back and forth later. Double-check required fields. Salesforce will flag anything missing. When everything looks good, click Save or the Submit button your org uses. You'll land on the new case record and see a case number. Jot that down for reference. Review the owner and queue to confirm it was assigned correctly, and use the case feed to add updates or reply to support as needed. That's it. You've successfully raised a Salesforce support case quickly, clearly, and with the right details to get help fast.